wheel loader in Augusta, Georgia, all the way from Las Vegas. No operator in the cab. Come on over and join us. We'll get started in just a minute. Wanted to mention we have a store right here in the middle of the booth with a lot of Hyundai gear, clothing, drinkware, hats, all kinds of stuff. So check that out too. All right, come on over and join us. We're starting our demonstration here on a remote controlled wheel loader being driven in Georgia, and the operator is right here in Las Vegas. It's amazing. Hello everyone, we're pleased to see you here at CONEXPO, and we thank you for visiting Hyundai Construction Equipment Americas. While you're with us today, please speak with any of our equipment experts to learn more about what Hyundai has to offer. And please stop at the information kiosk all over the booth where you can see information on our outdoor exhibit, which is booth F6914 at the festival grounds. There's a schedule of other presentations that we'll be doing here every day also. Are you ready to take a cross-country trip without leaving CONEXPO? Well, that's exactly what we're doing here. My name is Wendy, and for the next few minutes, you'll hear about and see for yourself a new remote control system that will let us operate a Hyundai HL960A wheel loader near Augusta, Georgia. And we'll see it from right here at CONEXPO. You've seen all the headlines, all the stories on the internet, coverage on TV. I'm talking about self-driving cars and trucks. Well, today, you're going to see a wheel loader with no operator in the cab, controlled remotely over a standard internet connection from more than 2,000 miles away. So the question is, why would you want to operate a construction machine through a remote control system? There are some very good, very practical reasons for it. Anyone want to take a guess? Okay, well, first of all, think about safety. If any of you operate in dangerous conditions, what if you need to send a wheel loader into a hazardous environment, maybe to help contain a fire or clean up hazardous materials? You need the machine for what it can do in those situations, but you can't put the operator's health or life at risk. Or consider how a remote control capability can help you save time and money. Say you have a wheel loader or multiple machines working a standard load and carry job at a remote site, maybe a quarry and a gravel pit, and they're doing repetitive work, digging material and loading trucks or a hopper. So instead of each machine having an operator, you could control 2, 3, or even 4 wheel loaders from a remote site with just a single operator. So you're not just saving time getting an operator to and from, you're cutting costs that can go right into your bottom line. So how does this work anyway? First of all, it's called the Teleoperation wheel loader system, and it's designed to work over the regular internet at speeds of 150 megabits per second, which is pretty much standard Ethernet speed, nothing fancy. 2 signals are in use, a video signal from the remote site to the control site, and a 2-way signal connecting the machine's controls to the operator station. So you can see in our demo here, it includes an operator station that looks pretty much like a wheel loader's cab, but instead of a cab, the system operator has a big video screen that shows the view from the cab at the remote job site. There are 4 cameras on the wheel loader providing front, right, left, and rear views, and then a 5th static camera provides a view of the machine from a distance of about 30 yards. And then for some extra razzle-dazzle, it includes a 6th drone-mounted camera that can give the remote operator a bird's-eye view of the job site. And then back at the operator station, he uses standard machine controls manipulated via the touchscreen control panel that's standard in all Hyundai wheel loaders. As the operator works the control panel, the system transmits every move and command to the machine in the field, which does the work. Just the same as if an operator were in the cab. So let's take a look and see our demo operator, JP Lim. He's taking us on a remote control job site here in Augusta, Georgia. The remote control machine is an HL960A. It has an operating weight of 42,330 pounds, a standard bucket capacity of 4.3 cubic yards, and it achieves 222 net horsepower at 2,200 RPM through a Cummins B6.7 Performance Series diesel engine. It's equipped with a certified Stage 5 emissions control. Wow, how about that? There may be some questions for Mr. Lim at the end of the presentation, I'm sure, but we invite you to spend as much time as you'd like here, and while you're at it, take a look around and see all the new and updated Hyundai models. And then if you plan to visit the outdoor festival grounds, be sure to see Hyundai's HX220A excavator, which is an A-series update of the HX220L. It's demonstrating the new High Assist option for HX series excavators. High Assist integrates the Trimble 3D machine control system into the control monitor cluster, and the system lets you set a variety of dig site parameters and achieve much more accurate digs. Well, you've been a great audience, and thanks for spending time with us here. Enjoy the rest of your CONEXPO and Las Vegas.